Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Tech with Scott. I had to make this video really quick. Happy holidays, by the way. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve. I had to make this video really quick because I'm in the market for headphones. Not really, but sort of. And I wanted to make this video because there's a sale going on for Beats that I just personally think you can't pass up right now. Like I mentioned in previous videos, a lot of these companies are offering insane holiday discounts right now because they're trying to like meet their year-end quota and trying to maximize sales before the year ends. So you'll notice there's a lot of discounts going on now, even bigger than what was offered on Black Friday. And Beats, even though they're owned by Apple and Apple never runs discounts, Beats are no exception to this rule. So I'm going to show you what's going on right here with the Beats Studio Pros, the 2023 version that came out a couple months back. Probably saw a bunch of reviews online. So let me just hop into Amazon. I'll put the affiliate link down in the description below if you guys are interested in going and picking these up. I'm most likely going to pick these up because technically I can get them for free through work. But I thought I would share this deal with you guys because it's too good to pass up. So if we come on to Amazon, as I said, I'll link below so you don't actually have to like go find them for yourself, but it's fairly easy to actually find. The only downside is I think it's a little bit too late to order these. I'd actually looked in the stores today. I checked 2 stores, Best Buy, not available, as well as Target, not available. Even Walmart, not available in my area. So these things are selling out really quickly, and there's clearly a demand for them, like strong demand. But that's quantity demanded. It's not like everyone wants Beats all of a sudden. This quantity demanded because there's a price decrease economics. So so Beats Studio Pros, the last version of these came out 3 years ago. But those were the design's essentially the same right now. The only difference is a couple minor tweaks to the sound profile. And then charging is also a little bit different. The previous model had micro USB for charging, and they've finally updated it. So it's USB Type-C, fast charging, which is great. It comes in 4 different colors. Normally I would just go for black, but there's a lot of people out there saying these dark colors on Beats headphones like really shows fingerprints very easily. So I'm like kind of on the fence between picking a dark black color. I mean, like normally I would just pick black just because it's so easy and black goes with everything. Black's my favorite color if you consider black a color, or maybe you don't, you think it's lack of color. Deep brown looks pretty classy, to be honest. Navy looks all right, but I heard navy and the black show up the worst. And then we have this sandstone color, which is kind of like an off-white-ish. It's like white with a tint of gray, which I'm kind of digging, and I think it looks super clean. So I'm kind of leaning in the direction of these, and you can make the argument, oh, white's going to get stained really easily, but we'll see. So I think these look the best anyway. Even though black does look super clean. Anyway, why are you watching this video? Why does this matter? Because of this discount. It's essentially 50% off. Normally $350, and it's on sale for $180. So they basically took the price, sliced it in half, and they're like, here, let's give these away for half off. Why is that great? Because it helps the consumer. And honestly, people were willing to pay $350 for these. They normally ran sales, but I think these are like worth $350, and the fact that you can get them for half off is kind of a no-brainer in my opinion, mainly because the battery life on these is so great and the sound quality is very decent from what I've heard on the internet. Obviously, I'd have to get them in hand and listen to them to give you an objective sort of opinion, but based on my research and the videos I've watched, the reviews I've read, and also you can see on Amazon's 4.4 average stars on this, it's good. It lives up to the price. 40 hours of battery life. I believe that's with active noise cancellation, and then I think you can get 50 plus if you just use if you don't use active noise cancellation. We have lossless audio if you use USB Type-C, which is interesting. And another cool thing is these work for both iOS and Android. They have quick pairing for both platforms. It's not just Apple. It's not like they just have that W1 chip or H1 chip. I can't remember which one it was, which only worked for fast pairing with Apple. Beats actually they designed their own little pairing chip, so it's now going to work with Android and iOS, which is super great. So Android users can get a good experience from these as well. So it has 3.5 connection as well if you want to use it in wired mode. And I also believe when you use it in wired mode, it doesn't actually require a battery charge. The device that you're plugged into is going to power it, which is great. USB Type-C for lossless audio, so you'll get better quality if you use it in USB Type-C mode. Another thing to just caveat here is you get distinct sound profiles, which you can tweak clicking this button on the side. Only in USB Type-C mode. You can't get, it's basically just like a different equalizer setting default if you actually use it in that USB-C mode. If you don't actually get that, which is kind of confusing. I don't know why you can't just use that in Bluetooth mode. I question a lot of things Beats does, but one thing I don't question is their design, because they've kept this the same for like 10 years now, because if it ain't broke, you don't fix it. I'm trying to think anything else I want to cover with these. It's Apple, so they're owned by Apple, so you can use the built-in Apple audio settings. So that's transparency mode, regular, spatial audio as well is built into these. So that's like that thing where it kind of feels like you're at a concert. You turn your head and the audio. It's essentially 360-degree audio, which is kind of cool. You turn your head and it makes it so that sound is correction. So if you turn this way, prioritizing your right ear cup. So yeah. And like I said, the audio on here is pretty good. One thing I've also heard is the active noise cancellation is very strong on these. It doesn't live up to the hype of Sony headphones by no means, but to be honest, for this price, are you really complaining? It's good enough in my opinion. The thing I have heard is really good is transparency mode. I believe it has 5 microphones on it. I could be wrong, but I believe it has 5 microphones on it, and the call quality is good. Another thing, it comes in a case. These can fold up, by the way, so that's another plus. So it comes in a case that's sort of soft/hard. It's kind of a combination of the two. Built-in pockets for you to put the cables. Comes with a USB to C cable as well as a 3.5 cable, and that's kind of it. Yeah, guys, that's it. I basically hit on everything. I don't think I'm missing anything here, but let me bring it back to my face. So yeah, links below, affiliate link. Obviously, I get a kickback if you guys click and buy them. I think this is a great time to go buy headphones like this at the end of the year. $350 normally, half off for $180. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Comment down below your thoughts on these headphones if you're interested in going to pick them up, or if you're looking at the Sonys, you're looking at the Bose Quiet Comfort series, WXM4s for Sony, WXM5s for Sony, Soundcore Space something, Q45s. I don't know. There's a bunch of headphones in this like $350 range, and it's ultra competitive. But the fact that they're slicing their price in half really means they're looking to capture more of the that top tier premium quality market. And also, like, you can think of these as like Apple over the ear headphones, but way cheaper than the AirPods Max. You get like 90% of the features of the AirPods Max, just like so much lower. Those normally go for like over 500. The fact that you can get these for 180 and basically get the similar quality, not same quality. These are plastic. Those are metal. Whatever. I'm rambling. If you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe to the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Techo Scott. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.